Class 10 English. Happy day students. Today we are going to read lesson 4 from the diary of Anne Frank. Introduction. This lesson is an excerpt from Diary of a Young Girl or the Diary of Anne Frank. It is an autobiography that was first published in 1947. In this, Anne expressed her thoughts in a diary which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday. She names the diary Kitty, which she considers as her only true friend. She mentions about her childhood, her family, and a lot other things that she told no one else. About the author, Anne Frank, a young Jewish girl, her sister and her parents moved to the Netherlands from Germany after Adolf Hitler and the Nazis came to power there in 1933 and made life increasingly difficult for Jews. In 1942, Frank and her family went into hiding in a secret apartment behind her father's business in German-occupied Amsterdam. The Franks were discovered in 1944 and sent to concentration camps. Only Anne's father survived. Anne Frank's diary of her family's time in hiding, first published in 1947, has been translated into almost 70 languages and is one of the most widely read accounts of the Holocaust. Theme. In this lesson, Anne talks about being lonely and having no one to talk to despite being surrounded by family and around 30 people whom she called her friends. Thus, she takes the decision of writing her feelings in a diary. It is unusual for her to write in a diary, but she is really in need of a true friend. Lesson at a glance. Anne Frank lived in Holland after Hitler invaded. His father and mother left her and her sister to her grandma. She was gifted a diary on her 13th birthday. She named it Kitty and made it her best friend in her loneliness. She wrote of every problem and happenings in her diary. She was very close to her grandma. After her death, she felt very much alone. They lived in a hiding for many years to survive. She was lovable of every teacher except Mr. Kissing, who taught maths. Mr. Kissing got annoyed with her talkative nature. He punished her by giving her extra homework many a time. Her essay in verse form on topic "Quack, quack, quack," said Mistress Chatterbox humiliated Mr. Kissing. He allowed her to talk and relieved her from any extra homework. Overview of the chapter. Anne Frank's first entry in the diary. Anne Frank, a 13-year-old girl, was gifted a diary by her father. So she decided to write in her diary, which she considered to be her best friend in loneliness, and named it Kitty. She began writing in June 1942. In her first entry, she expressed her desire to confine everything to the diary as she hadn't been able to do so to anyone else. She felt that paper had more patience than people. Secondly, she thought that nobody would be interested in her diary as she was a small girl. Her childhood and family. Anne called her father as the most adorable person. He was 36 when he married her mother, who was just 25. She has an older sister, Margaret. She had about 30 people around her, but she had no true friend. They lived in Frankfurt for some time, but as they were Jewish, they had to migrate to Holland for refuge. Her mother stayed with her grandmother, but went to Holland to her father. And schooling. She went to a Montessori nursery school. She stayed there until she was 6. At her farewell, she and her headmistress, Mrs. Coppasus, had tears in their eyes. Her grandmother's death. In the summer in 1941, her grandmother fell ill. She had to be operated upon, but she died in January 1942. It gave Anne a shock, and she did not write her diary in that period. But after that she wrote again as she thought of her grandmother's love and affection. Her view about teachers. Anne was not good at mathematics, so she and her friends were always worried about it. But she was sure that she would go to the next class. She always considered teachers to be the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. So she told her friends not to lose hope. Punishment by Mr. Kissing. Anne was a good student and had a good relationship with all the teachers except Mr. Kissing, who taught her maths. He was always annoyed by her talkative nature. He used to give an extra homework as punishment. He asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox. He also put a slip of it on her bag to remind her about it. Completion of homework. Anne was unable to understand what she could write in the essay. She started writing to consider it the necessity. She wrote the 3 pages for her satisfaction. She defined it as a feature of a student and also mentioned that she inherited this trait from a mother who also used to talk much. Homework given as punishment again. Mr. Casing read Anne's essay in front of class and laughed at it. He gave her another essay as punishment on the topic An Incorrigible Chatterbox, and quack 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. Anne mocks Mr. Cassin amusingly with her homework. Anne wanted to write something interesting and different in this time. So, with the help of her friends, Sani, who was good at poetry, she wrote an essay in verse. It was about 3 ducklings going deaf because their father duck beat them as they quacked way too much. Mr. Kissing took the joke in the right way and didn't bother Anne for talking after that incident. She was not even given an extra homework after that. About the characters, Anne Frank, the 13-year-old Jewish girl who writes a diary while she is hiding in Amsterdam from the Nazis during the World War II. Margaret Frank, Anne's sister, she is 3 years older than Anne. Otto Frank, Anne's father, he is a Jewish businessman who left Germany after Hitler's rise to power, hoping to find refuge in Holland. Mrs. Frank, Anne's mother, she is the source of many conflicts with Anne during the 2 years that the family spends in hiding. Mr. Van Den, a Jewish businessman and associate of Mr. Frank's. Mr. Kessing, her teacher who punishes Anne as he gets annoyed by her talkative nature. Just have a look at this mind map. Thank you.